How to add single and double line spacing in WordPress, no plugins, no code. I'll show you the built-in editor way. I'm already in the dashboard, so I'll click Pages in the left sidebar, then All Pages. Now I'll find the page I'm working on and click Edit. Once the editor loads, I'll click inside the paragraph that needs spacing. Clicking the text selects the paragraph block, and the block settings panel opens on the right. I'll click the Styles tab at the top of that panel, expand typography, and there's line height. That's the space between lines inside a paragraph. WordPress doesn't call it single or double spacing, so you set it with a number. For single spacing, I'll click the line height field and type 1.2. Watch the lines pull closer together in the editor. 1 to 1.2 is the range I use for fairly tight single spacing. If your theme gives preset values instead of a number, choose the smallest one. Then I'll click Update in the top right to save it. For double spacing, I'll click the same paragraph. Then I'll open line height and change the value to 2. The gap between lines roughly doubles. It isn't the exact double spacing you'd get in Word, but 2 is the closest built-in value. If 2 feels too loose for your font, 1.8 is usually the sweet spot. I'll leave it at 2 and click Update. To apply one value to several paragraphs at once, I'll hold Shift and click each paragraph block until they're all highlighted. With multiple blocks selected, the right panel still shows styles and typography. I'll set line height to 1.8. If the typography option disappears when you select mixed blocks, that's normal. I'll click Update. Line height is not the same as space between paragraphs. I'll click just the first paragraph again. In the right panel, I'll open Styles, then Dimensions, then Margin. I'll click the bottom margin field and type 24. That pushes the next paragraph down without adding empty lines. I'll hit Update. Now the two mistakes people make here, I'll click between two words and press space 5 times. The editor may still show them, so I'll click Preview in the top right to check the live page. The extra spaces disappear because browsers collapse them. I'll close the preview. Then I'll click back in the paragraph and press Ctrl-Z to undo. And if I press Enter 3 times after a paragraph, I get 3 empty blocks. Those gaps collapse differently on mobile and create messy HTML. I'll click each empty paragraph and press Delete to clean them up. For a large vertical gap between sections, I'll click the plus button at the top of the editor. Then I'll type spacer in the search box and select the spacer block. A blank space drops in. In the right panel, I'll set its height to 60 pixels. This is the clean way to add a big gap, and it stays consistent across screen sizes. I'll click Update. Headings work the same way. I'll click a heading block. Then I'll open Styles, expand typography, and set line height to 1.3. Headings that wrap onto 2 lines look better with a little more breathing room, but I don't take them all the way to 2. I'll hit Update. For site-wide consistency, I'll click Appearance in the left sidebar, then I'll click Editor. That opens the site editor. In the top right, I'll click Styles, then Typography. Here I can set line height for text, headings, links, and captions. I'll open text and set the body line height to 1.7. This changes it across the whole site, so I'll click Save. If your site uses a classic theme, you won't see Editor. Instead, I'll go back to Appearance and click Customize. Look for Typography or General Settings. The label varies, but it's the same line height control. I'll close Customize and return to the page editor. If you don't see line height anywhere, don't install a plugin. It's almost always the theme. Block themes expose it under Appearance, Editor, Styles, Typography. Classic themes usually put it under Appearance, Customize, Typography. If neither one shows it, the real fix is switching to a block theme. Before publishing, I'll click Preview in the top right, then narrow the browser window to phone width. I'm checking the paragraph with line height 2 and the spacer gap. On a phone, double spacing can feel huge. I'll close the preview. Then I'll select that paragraph and drop the line height to 1.8, then Update. That's the value I'd keep for mobile. 2 follow-up moves. If you want this spacing to be the same on every new post, set it in the Global Styles panel and don't also set it on individual blocks, because those block settings create overrides that are hard to find later. I'll open a paragraph and reset its typography to show what that looks like. And if the line height field still isn't there, go to Appearance, Themes, and look for a block theme. I'll open Themes. Then I'll click Add New so you can see where to pick one. If this got your spacing fixed, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.